Hello, friends, and welcome. It is a release day here at Autoflow, which means we have new features available for you. And hey, one of my favorite new ones is definitely going to be in the new Base Scheduler utility. Let's take a look at how this new feature works. So here we are inside of the new Base Scheduler. If you notice, the orientation here is a little bit different. Time moves horizontally across the top of the page and the bays are on the vertical. So I have 14 bays in this particular environment. And what you can do with this is you can simply drag and move vehicles around and stack things the way you hope it goes. Let's be clear. My dad had a great quote managing technicians I've shared with you many times. Technicians work better when they are preloaded. That's true. I believe it when we know 3-4 cars deep what we're supposed to be working on. I'll tell you what, though, when I knew what car I was supposed to be working on and I didn't have an open bay, well, that was frustrating. Now, hopefully, this is a tool that'll help service advisors or shop foremen try to make a plan as best you can on how the day is supposed to flow or how vehicles should be moving through your shop. This is a cool feature. When you click on these things, it'll pull you to that appointment on the active customer page where you can do additional management and manage details and times and appointments details from here. Now, let's go back to the active customer page and let's take a look at a couple other enhancements. I'm going to go first into the marketing module. Let's just open up our campaign screen. If you're using Autoflow for marketing campaigns, text, emails, this is a great spot. It opens fast. The speed and performance has increased substantially. But what's most cool, I think, is the fact that we've added the ability to delete groups, delete campaigns, and basically this is not a firm delete. When you go ahead and hit that button, this is an archive. You'll still be able to view those things. If you go into these filters, you'll see we can show deleted items if we want to or not, and lots of other variables in here to find the types of campaigns that you want. If you're just looking to find the things that are live or the things that are continuous, you'll be able to isolate that and find those on the screen really, really well. The other thing that we've improved here is the reporting, and that's not just in the campaign reports, but also in the header, the marketing report, the main dashboard report that we have for this. This will be going through some other improvements as we enter the version 4 phases, but what I wanted to highlight here is the fact that each of the cells within the report are now clickable, and they'll give you additional details on what the message is involved and other things. And you're going to see a lot of that throughout the campaign reports as well. Look for the cells, click on them, expand them. They open quickly. They're going to give you a lot better data than before. I think that's a great enhancement and a big +1 for our marketing clients. Next thing I want to do is highlight some things in the DVI sheet setup page. First and foremost, we get a lot of questions about why you can't archive a sheet. Archiving sheets is a fairly simple process, but we can't let you do that for active tickets that are using the inspection that you've selected. So until the board is clear of those, we need to not allow you to do that. I can't click this button, but we did give you a different button to show you exactly which ones are preventing you from accomplishing this archival. Go ahead and get those tickets processed or delete them or whatever you want to do, depending how urgent this archival is. We now make it very clear what's preventing it. And the other piece inside of here is in the tire inspection. This benefits our clients who run multiple stores. If you have tire settings or you have a specific set of variables in tread depth or predefined notes here in the multi-axle tire inspection, we gave you a nice little button to push this to all stores in your organization in a single click. Previously, you had to export it and then import it, or we could help you with that on the support side. We've made it very easy for you to manage yourself right there. Hope these things are very helpful for you. This is just a sample of some of the cool enhancements that we've made. I think the Base Scheduler is just a really exciting piece that you're going to want to explore. But check it all out, folks. Our release notes are on the website. As always, we appreciate your feedback. We appreciate your leverage of the tool. We'll see you in the next one.